Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Hadidi Makeovers. So yeah guys, this is like the fifth time I'm uploading this video. Like recording and uploading again. I don't know what happened, but yeah, let's just jump right into the video. So if you're a new subscriber, welcome back. If you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome back. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome to the family. That's what I was going to say. So looking at this now, I'm going to be cleaning her brows, clean her face, and you want to get rid of oil, you want to get rid of that, you want to get rid of anything that is going to disrupt your drawing of your eyebrow and all of that. So as you can see, don't see that I'm being too harsh on her face. It's just that I fast forwarded it and everything is looking like as if I'm fighting with her. So next, I'm going to be using the powder palette, the V Beauty powder palette, to set her brows. So first of all guys, this is the updated eyebrow I'm doing, eyebrow tutorial I'm going to be showing you. But firstly, I'm going to be drawing the old version of the eyebrow I used to draw before. This is the one I'm doing. Then the next brows, I'm going to be drawing the new brows I normally draw. So here is my spoolie, or your mascara wand. My mascara wand, of course. I'm going to be drawing that, like brushing the hair upwards. That's after setting the eyebrow. Then I'll be using the Davis brow pencil number 18 to outline my eyebrows. So normally before, even now, I still use this brow pencil. Yes. But I'm going to be changing the brow pencil for the next brows, just for you to understand more. I can still use this, but no, I'm going to use another one. So yes, I'm going to be outlining the brows like this. As you can see, I'm uploading, I am, sorry, I am outlining the brows. After outlining the brows, I will make sure, like, as a then when I'm drawing the brows, I normally draw it making sure everything comes out boldly, not darker, just boldly. I want everything to be well detailed. You want it to show, and then I'll just fill in the middle of the brows. Then I'll go in with my pineapple brow mascara or brow tint. Then I'll just brush that up just to keep the hair in place, and also make sure they follow all, everything should just be in one direction. Yeah guys, so this is me brushing the hair using the Pineapple Cosmetics brow tint. This brow tint is the holy grail, guys. I don't know if you've seen my tutorial on this brow tint. I really hyped up this brow tint very well. And yes, it's not really a hype, it's true. This brow tint is just everything to me. So next, I'm going to be going in with this concealer palette. Yeah. I'm going to be using a shade lighter than her skin, just 2 shades lighter. This is how I used to draw my brows before, mind you guys. And drawing my brows before does not mean like this is how I liked it before. When you get something new and all of that, everything changes and the whole old one always looks weird to you. So yeah, this is me filling the brows with my concealer, cleaning the brows, sorry, the brow bone only, using the lighter shade. Then I'm going to use my wipes, clean off the brush. Then I'll use a darker shade of um concealer shade that is a little bit closer to her skin shade, but a little bit lighter still, but closer to her skin shade tone. Then I'm going to be using that on the inner part of the brows and the outer part of the brows. If you watch my normal videos, that is how the eyebrows normally is, like that is how I draw my eyebrows normally. So as you can see, I am trying to outline. Then I'll take my blending brush and then brush that off. Like, I'm going to blend it out so that when I apply my foundation, everything goes in smoothly. And then yes, this is it guys. So guys, don't be frustrated. And actually, I am super angry with this video because I have been uploading, and even as I am even recording now, I am not comfortable at all where I'm recording. I don't know if you can hear the sound in the background and everything. This is the only time convenient for me to record this video, to record this voiceover, sorry, because I have done this voiceover like 5 times now, and YouTube keeps copyrighting my video. I don't know what happened, or maybe they've changed the policy that I'm not updated about, or I don't know about, but I'll still go ahead and check. So I'm not going to be adding any sound to this video. It's just my voice and then the video, just to be safe guys. So this is it. I now use that same darker shade of concealer to do the upper part of the brows. Then I'm going to be blending that out so that when I apply my foundation, everything just goes in smoothly and then seamlessly. So this is the old version of eyebrow I normally do. So next I'm going to be doing the new version. Yay guys. So the new one, normally what I do is I use this Julie Diamond translucent powder. I'm going to set that. At the same time, it's also bleach. It's a colorless powder. I don't know if you know the RCMA powder. This is like something like that. Then I'm going to be using the Julie Diamond brow pencil in the shade dark brown. This is a dark brown pencil, and you can still use your David's pencil, but what I do here is I just go lightly brush the hair upwards, then I'll follow the shape of her brows. And mind you guys, I don't really um detail the brows like that, but outlining the brows I just go lightly, like lightly just lightly drawing strokes until I see the shape coming out very well, as you can see. And yeah, this is it. I am already done with the outlining. Then next I'm going to be using the brow tint, the same brow tint I used, the pineapple brow tint. I'm going to be brushing the hair so that it gives it direction, and also making the strands of your hair go like stay one place. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So next, after brushing this up, and yes, mind you guys, I'm not, I the brows were not carved. This is a natural eyebrows. So next, I'm not going to be using a concealer again because I don't want the consistency of the concealer to be looking thick and sharp and everything like that. At this point, I can use my foundation to clean the brows, but let me use the concealer because everybody knows you can use concealer every time. But normally, sometimes I use foundation to do the eyebrows. That like the new updated eyebrows I've learnt. And yeah, guys, I'm using the concealer from Khalifa Cosmetics, the shade Mango and Biscuit. I'm going to be mixing it together, but rather I'm going to be using a lighter shade. The biscuit shade is lighter, but I'm going to be mixing a little bit of mango, the darker shade, in it so that it doesn't look too bright like that. So you want to make it look like her skin tone, but just a little bit bright at the brow bone. So I'm going to be applying the lighter shade. Then I'll go with the mango shade that is very close to her skin tone shade. Then I'll do the inner and the outer part of the brows. Can you see that the brows is looking like her skin tone, guys? Look at the concealer shade. It looks super close to her skin, and I'm going to blend that out. Just watch, guys. And you want to make sure you blend out the concealing of your eyebrows, because you don't want to see harsh lines whenever when you're done and you want to apply foundation. So guys, I'm doing the top part of the brows. I'm using the darker shade, the mango shade, for the eyebrows, as you can see. Can you see that? So guys, I prefer this eyebrows. I don't know, but you can still do whatever you want to do. I'm just showing you my own updated eyebrow tutorial. So next, because now people don't really like that sharp, heavy looking eyebrow and all of that. So next, I'm going to blend that out. So you see this, when I apply my foundation, everything just goes in and it looks like the brows were not drawn, but it's looking super neat and clean. If you can look at the before, it's looking darker, and this looks lighter and still looks better. I prefer the new brow, um the new updated eyebrow shade. So I'm going to be blending that out. I just applied a little bit foundation on her forehead so that you guys will see how it works with foundation. I'm not going to be doing the whole face, and this is the Khalifa foundation in the shade Hot Choco. That's the one I used on her forehead, and also just to blend it out a little bit so that you can see how the brows looks. I just applied it just very little, not the whole face. So this is me blending out the foundation. And yeah guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to share this video. I love you guys so much. This is Hadidi Makeovers. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.